Good morning. Hello. My name is Aulia Sagitananda. I'm from class 335A07 with ID 33230074. Today I will present about assessing literary response. This topic discusses how student understanding and respond to literary texts are evaluated. Literary response assessment is important because it helps teachers measure students' comprehension, interpretation, and critical thinking skills when reading literature. So, let's start. Alright, first slide, introduction. Literary response assessment is an important part of language testing. It focuses on students' ability to understand and respond to literary texts such as poems, short stories, or novels. This type of assessment does not only test language skills, but also students' critical thinking and personal interpretation. Okay, next slide, definition. Assessing literary response means evaluating how students respond to a literary text. The response can be given orally or in written form. Students are expected to show their understanding, interpretation, and personal opinion about the text they read. So next, slide, purpose. The purpose of assessing literary response includes several points. First, it's measure students' reading comprehension. Second, it's assess their ability to interpret and analyze text. Third, it evaluates how well students use language to express ideas. Lastly, it helps teachers observe students' personal engagement with the text. So, next slide, type of assessment. There are several types of literary response assessment. The first is oral response, such as discussion or presentation. And the second is written response, like essays or reflections. The third is creative response. For example, role play or writing an alternative ending of a story. Okay, next, assessment criteria. In assessing literary response, there are some important criteria. These include text comprehension, interpretation and analysis, language accuracy, organization and coherence, and creativity. These criteria help teachers evaluate students fairly and objectively. Next slide, advantage and challenge. Literary response assessment has several advantages. It encourages critical thinking, allows personal expression, and helps develop language skills. However, there are also challenges such as subjective scoring, the need for clear rubrics, and the fact that it can be time consuming. So, next, conclusion. Alright, so in conclusion, literary response assessment plays an important role in evaluating students' language and thinking skills. It helps teachers understand how students interpret text with clean criteria and proper assessment methods. Literary response assessment can be fair and effective. Hello everyone, my name is Aulia Sagitananda. I'm from class 335A07 with name 33230074. Today, I want to discuss about case study simulation. So, we have two topics about case study simulation. The first one is verbal essay, and then second, free interview. So, let's start to verbal essay. Alright, so I am with my student, and then can you tell me about your name in the camera?
Good morning. My name is Lazara Santoso, and my ID number is 33230096.
Okay, so I'm asking about verbal essay. Please give verbal essay about the importance of learning English. And specifically in your daily life. You have 1 minute to prepare and then 2 minutes for speak. So, I'll give you paper to write your activities in your daily life. You can tell me about your life, everything. Alright, so what your answer about your daily life about learning English?
In my opinion, learning English is very important because English is an international language.
Yes.
It helps us communicate with people from different countries, and English is also useful for education and future careers.
Yes, exactly. That's very correct. Give applause to my student Leah. Okay, so we move to next topic about free interview. I want to ask you, Leah, can you tell me about your daily life activity?
My daily activities usually start in the morning. I wake up.
Pardon, can you more louder?
My daily activity usually start in the morning. I wake up, take a shower, and have breakfast. Then I go to college. And usually in the afternoon, I do my homework or other tasks. In the evening, I relax and spend time with my family before going to bed.
Okay. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually listen to music. What
kind of music do you like? For example,
I like K-pop, especially NCT.
Yeah, I really like too.
Oh, you like NCT too?
I like BTS and
I
Blackpink.
see.
Okay, and then?
And watch video or reading a book. Sometimes I also hang out with my friends.
Oh, you like reading a book?
Yeah.
What kind of book? Maybe comic, novel, or what? Something what?
I usually like reading novels, especially fantasy or romance novels.
Romance, right?
Yeah,
I see.
yeah.
Okay. Why do you like that activity?
I like that activity because it helps me relax and makes me really happy. It also helps me forget stress and enjoy my time.
Oh no, are you stressed, Leah?
Yeah, because of college.
Yeah. I see. Okay, thank you for your answer. I appreciate about your answer in my question.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Alright, so these methods have different focuses. Verbal essays emphasize structure, speaking, while free interview focuses on some what calls like what like spontaneous communication, something like that. Okay, so it's all my explain about case study simulation, verbal essay, and free interview. Any question, maybe?
I
No?
think, yeah, no.
Is it enough or you wanna
Enough.
ask?
I understand.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so that's all my presentation about case study simulation. See you.